Well, good evening. It's Ryan here from 780 Speed and Custom. Hope you like the new name. So anyway, been a bit of a hectic week. Get back from work trying to catch up on things. My dailies actually broke down, so I've been driving the hot rod to and from work, which I'm technically not supposed to do, but what else are you going to do when the daily's not working, right? So it's minor details. It's just a shifter, like the cable, the linkage. The end broke off, so it's not hooked up to the pawl in the transmission. Got a new one on order. Hopefully that comes in quick, get it replaced, get my daily back on the road, and then I can get to working on the 40. I want to change the oil, cut the filter part, make sure there's no gold flakes, brass flakes in there, make sure everything's still good there. I'm a little bit concerned about the oil pressure because it doesn't make as much as it should for an LS for sure. And it doesn't climb like it should at higher RPMs, but whatever. It is what it is. We'll deal with it, whatever the conclusion is from that. I want to do a leak down and a compression test. I think I may have some issues with some valves because without changing the tune, it just went 10-12% rich on me here towards the end of the week of Miles of Mayhem there. So possibly some issues going on, but yeah, I'll figure it out. Get to work on it. But in the meantime, I got a couple of projects I want to bring to your attention. Hopefully you like them. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, I'll show you what I got going on anyway. So this is the daily. It's a 2011 1500 Silverado 5.3 4x4, crew cab, nothing crazy. But if I get down here, crawl underneath, I can show you what's going on. So yeah, that right there is the shifter linkage to the column, and that's why we can't have nice things. So, new one of those coming. It's actually a two-piece deal. The other end is, I don't know, somewhere over here. Yeah, up there. Two-piece deal, so I'll just change this bottom end, and I should be back on the road with that, but still, lots of work to do around here. Never ends. Okay, so project number one, and I realize this has been done before. Dan from DD Speed Shop's done it, but here is my 1964 Biscayne. I actually picked this up one day before he posted his first video of when he picked his up, which is kind of funny. I'm sure he owned his before mine because, it takes a while to get some footage out. It's got the inline six, the 230, I can't remember exactly what cubic inch, 2-speed power glide, but this thing is ridiculously clean. It's only got 36,000 miles on it. A couple of dings in the body, a little bit of patina because it's been sitting outside for all these years, but this thing is really clean. You got to check this out. I just love the patina on it. I've got the wheels off of right now because they were trash, and Chris is actually mounting some proper rubber on them. But interior is quite shot. It's got mice. It's had mice. But everything's here. The body is really straight. Only a couple of dents. We got a dent in the bumper here. And I think the driver's side, yeah. Driver's side front quarter's got a ding in it. But all minor stuff. I have all the trim. The trim for the front hood is a little bit mangled, so I'm probably going to need that. But other than that, the car is complete. And believe it or not, only has 35,000 miles on it, which is absolutely wild. The guy I bought it from was a one-owner car. They drove it, like I said, 36,000 miles on it, and they got mice in the interior. So they reupholstered the car, and shortly thereafter mice got in it again, so they just parked it, and that's where it sat. So this thing is in incredible shape. Like, I couldn't have been more stoked to get something that's in this good of condition, because it's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted a four-door car that I could kind of hot rod, turn into a bit of a family hot rod, so that, the wife, future potential kids, friends, whatever it is, can hop in it, tour around, follow me racing, whatever it is, and have a nice, cool hot rod to cruise in. So I'm super, super stoked about this project. Hood latch is somewhere under here, yep. So there it is in all its glory. 6 cylinders of fury. But actually, you know, this thing's so low mild, and I'm sure I'm going to be able to get this thing going. Just a little bit of TLC. So yeah, there it is. That's my first project after the 40. Obviously, I want to make sure that's good to go. But that's what's going to be in my garage this winter. That's what I'm going to be wrenching on. Hopefully, I can get it running the way it is. If not, I got other plans. We'll get to that bridge when we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, I guess, what I'm trying to say. So thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for checking the channel out. Thank you to DD Speed Shop. If you don't follow them, you probably should. But I'm sure you all do, because that's how half you got here. So thank you to DD Speed Shop. Be sure to stick around. I cannot wait to share this experience, this build with you.